Do you want to have healthy, beautiful, soft, natural curly hair? Yes? Well, so do I. And I'm on a mission to achieving it. So stick around, keep watching this video, and I will share with you the tips that I'm doing in order to achieve my hair goals. Hi, I'm Lindsay. Welcome to my channel, House of Lindsay, where you're gonna find all the tips and tricks for health and beauty related videos. So stick around. In order to achieve your hair goals, the most important thing you have to remember is that you need a curly hair routine and you need to follow it consistently. Just like you have a skincare routine and a workout routine, in order to see results, you must be patient and you must follow it consistently. If you put in the hard work, then the results will pay off and you will be rewarded. In my curly hair routine, there are 4 steps. The first step, clarify. Second step, treatment. Third step, nourish. And the 4th step is seal. Today, I will be using some of my favorite products. All of these products are healthy for the hair. They are sulfate, silicone, and paraben free. These products include the Mielle Organics Exfoliating Shampoo, the Intense Hydration Conditioner from Shea Moisture, the Deep Conditioning Mask from Maui Moisture, Cantu's Leave-In Conditioner, and the Honey and Ginger Styling Gel from Mielle Organics. A list of all these products I've used today will be listed in the description box below. So now, let's get into my curly hair routine. First step is to shampoo or co-wash using a sulfate and paraben-free shampoo. Use warm water for this process. Focus on your scalp and then run your fingers down your hair. Do not rub your hair as this will cause more frizz and tangles. Step 2 is to use a conditioner in your hair. I am going to be using the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Conditioner, and you want to focus on the ends of your hair and then work your way up. Next, detangle your hair using a wide tooth comb so the conditioner is distributed evenly throughout your hair. Step 3, deep condition. This is my favorite step. Use a silicone, paraben, and sulfate-free deep conditioner. Apply a generous amount to each section. Try not to get the conditioner on your scalp. Again, focus on your ends and work your way up. Step 4, put on a plastic cap and relax. Leave the deep conditioner in your hair for 15 to 30 minutes. Sit under a heated dryer for better penetration, and your curls are going to lock in this moisture. Rinse your hair with cold water to seal in the moisture and decrease frizz. Water is moisture, and sealing in the moisture is the #1 important tip. Step 5. Squeeze out excess water and begin working on damp hair. This will allow products to easily absorb into the hair shaft. Keep your spray bottle nearby to re-wet areas that dry faster. Apply a leave-in conditioner into small sections, beginning from the back and working your way towards the front of your head. Apply a styling gel next and use a Denman brush to smooth the hair shaft. Shake your hair lightly so the curls will clump together and curl in its natural curl pattern. This will help to define your curls and make them shine and pop. Another important step is do not touch your hair until your hair is 100% dry and let your hair air dry. Lastly, separate the curls into smaller pieces. Flip your hair upside down and use an oil to scrunch and break the gel cast. Massage the scalp by lifting the roots of your hair gently with your fingers by 1 to 2 inches away from your scalp. Flip your hair back and voila! Volume and defined curls for days. Finish the look by laying down your edges with an edge control or gel. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try out my curly hair routine and you like it, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Also, if you have any suggestions or products you would like me to review, also let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe, as I'm going to be posting more health and beauty related videos. So until next time, bye! Don't forget to check out my next video where I show you healthy meal ideas, and what I eat in a day.